Hey guys, welcome to Serpwizz and welcome also to our SEMRUSH series. If you are here for the first time, then I just want to give you a quick background on what we do. So basically here in the Serpwizz YouTube channel, we do reviews and tutorials of different SEO tools in the market, and for this particular series, we are doing SEMRUSH. So today we will be highlighting on the trends category, and we'll be talking about the traffic analytics tool. So right now I'm already on the page of the tool, and so SEMrush claims that you can use this tool to explore competitors' website traffic stats, discover growth points, and amplify your marketing strategy. So I'm reading through that because I wanna give it to you guys, just like how SEMrush wants you all to understand their tools. So basically what it does is you get a glimpse of what your competitors are doing to improve their marketing strategy. So is it like content, is it ads, stuff like that. So here, if you put your competitor's domain, then you'd be able to check all of those out. But you have the option here to either compare domains. So basically it's going to be your domain versus theirs, and analyze in bulk. So I believe if this has the same capability as the previous one that I have worked with, also in SEMrush, then it would allow you to analyze at least 100 in bulk domains all at the same time. So that's that, and let's just go through all of this information quickly, so that you'll have more background on what this tool does. So it gets you competitive insights So that's what it does. It's a website traffic checker, and you can see here different metrics and different results, visualizations. See here graphs and the results that are pertaining to whatever results that you need or would like to see. So here you can also spot gaps in promo tactics, engagement metrics, and all devices, whether they're viewing it or whether the traffic is coming from desktop or mobile. So you'll be able to see those as well, and gain audience insights through website traffic analysis. So this is what it's gonna look like for that result. So is it like you'll be able to see if it's a shared audience and where it overlaps. It just helps you analyze your audience better. And then here you can also uncover web traffic journeys with real user data, and check website traffic to competitor sites for insights on their top pages. So as far as I can remember, or from what I have noticed here, it's just pretty much has the same capabilities and functions as the other analytics tool here on the set, but yeah, this is focused on traffic. So let's not beat around the bush and get this done. So I'm just gonna use these examples given by SEMrush. So let's just go with eBay. So I'm clicking on that, and then it will directly and automatically produce the results that are associated with that specific domain. So you can see here the engagement metrics, and then trend by device. So is it desktop, mobile, or is it both? You can see, I think these visualizations are good touch. It just makes it even more engaging. Here as well are the top pages and the traffic share, traffic sources by type. So is it if you Is it direct, is it referral, or is it search, social, and paid? So you can view you can view the full report by clicking on this. You can expand those, and then your traffic journey as well. So from eBay, is the top sources and the top destinations, and you can also export these to a PNG file so that you'll have better and easier access to it should you need it. Instead of going to this tool every time you need to see the results. So audience wise, this is the age range, or so you can see 25 to 34. The audience ranging on this age are the most frequent viewers or the most frequent visitors of eBay, and you can see here if it's female or male, and distribution by country as well. So you can either click visits or unique visitors depending on what you want to see. And then you also get some company information right here. So yeah, all of these you can use in order to improve your very own performance, because being able to view your competitors would give you all the insight that you need to determine what you need to improve on and what you need to work. So I think this tool is really cool. And as you can see here, since we're using the competitors feature, you can also add up to 3 competitors so you can compare them. You can compare them side by side. Like I've mentioned prior, you can also do bulk analysis right here. So you still have all these different tabs on the top part where you can see other results that will be very useful for you. But overall, these are the same results that you have seen at the bottom. They are just categorized right here just so you can have quicker access to them. And yeah, I think that's it for traffic analytics. Hopefully you guys found this review and / mini tutorial helpful, and I wanna invite you all to keep watching these videos that we are doing so that you'll have insight about all these amazing tools from SEMRUSH. So until next time, thank you guys all for watching. See you next time.